we see the Alaska or the Siberian husky in its natural, apparently, habitat of water. The only reason why it has a chain on it, folks, is because it's just still a puppy, and we don't want it to get lost. There's things out here at the farm that could eat it, so it just stays out of the chain for now till it gets older. Look at it go.
No. My God is not a cow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Water. What are you doing? Get out of there. What is that?
Some kind of strap.
Where are you finding that stuff at? That's reminiscent of either Dad or Grandpa.
It looks like a collar.
No, it looks like a...
Look out. Smack her in the nose.
Don't smack her. I mean, yeah. Like, let go. Hey.
Look up. You can't even mind take a bird with.
Step on the collar here. Or step on the leash. Hey, no. Here, give that to Grandma. You have been defeated.
Fine.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I think this one around that...
Umbrella? That might be. They never ended up coming by or taking it. Look at the pool. Yeah. Oh, like you fool. Splash her. Splash her again. You're like, nope. Huh? What are you doing? That is only for me to do. Stop it, you fool. You fool human. Ha! I got you. No, stop with the splashing. I will hide in the bushes and you will not see me in my natural cover.
Found you.
You found me. Get away. I am going to get caught. I will wrap you like a Star Wars episode. Ah, curses. All right, folks. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.